Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change URL on Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Wix and log in into your account, and from here select the website you want to change the URL, and now click on site actions and click on rename site. And here you will get the site address URL option. To change the URL, simply cut this part from here and enter your new URL here. And click on save. And here you can see my site URL has been changed. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.